SearchInform DLP Online Training. Overview of SearchInform DLP. SearchInform Data Loss Prevention (DLP) is a solution designed to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and leaks. Here's an overview of its key features and capabilities. Data discovery and classification. SearchInform DLP helps in identifying and classifying sensitive information across various data sources, including documents, emails, and databases. It uses advanced algorithms to detect and categorize data based on predefined criteria. Real-time monitoring. The system provides real-time monitoring of data access and usage. It tracks user activities, data transfers, and any actions that may pose a risk to data security. Incident management. SearchInform DLP offers tools for managing and responding to data security incidents. It includes alerting mechanisms, incident reporting, and investigation tools to address potential breaches or policy violations. Policy enforcement. The solution allows organizations to define and enforce data protection policies. It supports various policy types, including content-based, context-based, and user behavior-based policies. Data encryption and masking. To safeguard data, SearchInform DLP can apply encryption and masking techniques to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access, both at rest and in transit. Integration capabilities. It integrates with various IT systems and applications, including email servers, file storage systems, and databases, to provide comprehensive protection across the organization's IT environment. Reporting and analytics. The system provides detailed reports and analytics on data protection status, policy compliance, and incident history. This helps in assessing the effectiveness of the DLP strategy and identifying areas for improvement. User behavior analytics. It includes features for analyzing user behavior to detect anomalies that may indicate potential security threats or policy violations. What is SearchInform DLP? 1. Data monitoring and visibility. Continuous monitoring. SearchInform DLP provides real-time surveillance of data across an organization's network, including endpoints, servers, and cloud services. It tracks user actions and data access patterns to detect potential security threats or policy violations. Behavioral analysis. The system can analyze user behavior and data access patterns to identify unusual or suspicious activities that may indicate a security risk. 2. Policy definition and enforcement. Customizable policies. Organizations can create and customize data protection policies based on their specific needs and regulatory requirements. These policies can include rules for data access, sharing, and storage. Automatic enforcement. SearchInform DLP automatically enforces these policies by blocking or alerting on actions that violate the established rules. For example, it can prevent users from sending sensitive information via email or uploading it to unauthorized cloud storage. 3. Content inspection and classification. Deep content inspection. The software inspects the content of documents, emails, and other communications to detect sensitive information such as personally identifiable information, PII, financial data, or intellectual property. Data classification. It can classify data based on its sensitivity level, helping organizations to apply appropriate security measures depending on the classification of the data. 4. Incident response and reporting. Real-time alerts. Search-informed DLP generates real-time alerts for potential security incidents, allowing IT and security teams to respond promptly. Alerts can be configured to notify administrators via email, SMS, or within the system's dashboard. Detailed reporting. The solution provides comprehensive reports on data activities, security incidents, and policy violations. These reports help organizations analyze trends, assess risk levels, and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. 5. Integration and scalability. Integration with other systems. Search-informed DLP integrates with other security solutions such as SIEM, security information and event management systems, antivirus software, and firewall solutions. This integration helps create a unified security posture and improves overall threat detection. Scalability. The solution is designed to scale with the organization's needs. It can handle increasing volumes of data and users without compromising performance. 6. Data encryption and protection. Encryption. Search-informed DLP can work in conjunction with encryption solutions to protect sensitive data both at rest and in transit. This ensures that even if data is intercepted or accessed by unauthorized users, it remains unreadable. Access control. It supports granular access control, ensuring that only authorized users can access or handle sensitive data according to their roles and responsibilities. 7. Compliance and regulatory support. Regulatory compliance. The solution helps organizations comply with various data protection regulations and standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA. It provides features to audit data handling practices and demonstrate compliance during inspections or audits. Policy templates. Search-informed DLP often includes pre-configured policy templates based on common regulatory requirements, simplifying the process of setting up data protection measures. 8. User education and awareness. Training and awareness. Some DLP solutions, including Search-inform, offer user training and awareness programs to educate employees about data protection practices and the importance of following security policies. How does Search-inform DLP protect sensitive data? 1. Data classification. Types of data. Search-inform DLP categorizes data into various sensitivity levels, including public, internal, confidential, and restricted. This helps in applying different levels of protection based on the data's importance. Automatic classification. The system can automatically classify data based on predefined rules and patterns, such as credit card numbers, social security numbers, or proprietary business information. 2. Policy enforcement. Custom policies. Organizations can create customized data protection policies tailored to their specific needs and regulatory requirements. Policies can cover data handling, storage, transfer, and access. Access controls. Policies can enforce strict access controls, ensuring that only authorized users can view or manipulate sensitive data. This includes setting permissions and defining roles. Data encryption. Policies can mandate encryption for sensitive data both at rest and in transit to prevent unauthorized access. 3. Real-time monitoring. Activity tracking. Search-informed DLP monitors all data-related activities in real time, including file access, modifications, transfers, and deletions. This helps in detecting suspicious behavior immediately. Alerts and notifications. The system generates real-time alerts for potential policy violations or security incidents. These alerts can be customized based on the severity of the threat and the organization's needs. 4. Content inspection. Deep content analysis. Search-informed DLP uses advanced algorithms to inspect the contents of files, emails, and other communications. It can detect sensitive information embedded in various formats, such as documents, spreadsheets, and email attachments. Contextual analysis. The system also analyzes the context in which sensitive data is used or transmitted, providing a deeper understanding of potential risks. 5. Incident response. Automated responses. When a potential data loss incident is detected, search-informed DLP can automatically trigger predefined responses, such as blocking data transfers, quarantining files, or logging the incident for further investigation. Investigation tools. The system provides tools for in-depth investigation, including detailed logs, forensic analysis, and incident reports to help understand and address the root cause of data breaches. 6. User behavior analytics. Behavioral baselines. Search-informed DLP establishes baselines for normal user behavior and continuously monitors for deviations. This helps in identifying potential insider threats or compromised accounts. Risk scoring. The system assigns risk scores to user activities based on their behavior and access patterns. Higher scores indicate a higher likelihood of malicious intent or policy violations. 7. Compliance management. Regulatory alignment. Search-informed DLP supports compliance with various data protection regulations, such as GDPR, HIPAA, CCPA, and more. It helps organizations adhere to legal requirements by enforcing data protection policies and maintaining audit trails. Audit trails. The system generates detailed audit trails of data activities, providing documentation required for compliance reporting and investigations. 8. Integration. Security ecosystem integration. Search-informed DLP integrates with other security solutions, such as SIEM, security information and event management systems, endpoint protection tools, and network security devices. This integration enhances overall security posture and provides a unified view of data protection. API support. The system offers APIs for integration with third-party applications and platforms, allowing for seamless data protection across various systems. What are the key features of search-informed DLP? Content discovery and classification. Discovery identifies sensitive data across various sources such as file systems, emails, cloud storage, and databases. Classification categorizes data based on sensitivity and compliance requirements, such as personal identifiable information, PII, financial data, or intellectual property. Tagging automatically tags classified data to simplify management and policy enforcement. Real-time monitoring. Activity tracking monitors access, modifications, and transfers of sensitive data in real time. Alerts generates immediate alerts for suspicious activities or policy violations. Dashboard provides a real-time overview of data access and potential risks through an intuitive dashboard. Policy enforcement. Custom policies allows organizations to create and enforce customized data protection policies tailored to their specific needs. Access controls implements controls to restrict access to sensitive data based on user roles, departments, or data types. Data handling rules defines how data should be handled, shared, or stored according to organizational policies. Incident management. Incident detection automatically detects and flags incidents that could compromise data security. Investigation tools provides tools to investigate incidents, including detailed logs and reports. Response mechanisms facilitates responses to incidents with predefined actions or manual interventions, such as data quarantining or user alerts. Data encryption. Encryption at rest encrypts stored data to prevent unauthorized access. Encryption in transit secures data being transferred across networks to protect it from interception or tampering. Key management manages encryption keys to ensure their security and proper use. Behavioral analytics. Anomaly detection uses analytics to identify deviations from normal behavior patterns that could indicate potential threats. Risk scoring assigns risk scores to users or activities based on their behavior and access patterns. Machine learning employs machine learning algorithms to continuously improve threat detection and response. Compliance reporting. Regulatory compliance helps organizations meet requirements of regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI-DSS by providing necessary documentation and evidence. Audit trails maintains detailed logs of data access and policy enforcement for audit purposes. Custom reports generates customizable reports to track compliance and security metrics. User activity monitoring. Behavior tracking monitors user interactions with sensitive data to detect potentially risky or non-compliant behavior. Session recording records user sessions for forensic analysis in case of data breaches or policy violations. Alerts and notifications notifies administrators of unusual or unauthorized user activities. Integration capabilities. Security ecosystem integration integrates with other security tools such as SIEM, security information and event management systems, antivirus software, and firewalls for a unified security approach. IT systems integration connects with IT systems like Active Directory for user management and other enterprise applications to enhance data protection. Flexible deployment. On-premises deploys within an organization's own infrastructure for complete control over data and security. How can SearchInform DLP be integrated with existing systems? SearchInform DLP, data loss prevention, can be integrated with existing systems in several ways to enhance data protection and compliance. Here's how you might approach the integration. APIs and connectors. Search-informed DLP often provides APIs and pre-built connectors that can be used to integrate with various systems such as CM, security information and event management, tools, ticketing systems, and other security solutions. Leveraging these APIs can help automate data protection workflows and enhance overall security posture. Log management systems. Integrating search-informed DLP with log management systems allows for centralized logging and monitoring of data security events. This integration helps in correlating data loss incidents with other security events for more comprehensive threat analysis. Directory services. Integration with directory services like Active Directory or LDAP enables the DLP system to utilize existing user and group data for policy enforcement. This ensures that data protection policies are consistently applied across the organization based on user roles and permissions. Email and collaboration tools. Integrating with email systems like Microsoft Exchange or Office 365, and collaboration tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams helps monitor and protect sensitive data transmitted through these channels. This can include scanning for sensitive information in attachments, messages, and shared files. Endpoint protection platforms. Integration with endpoint protection solutions ensures that data loss prevention policies are enforced on endpoints, including desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. This integration helps in managing data security on all user devices. Data storage solutions. Integrating with data storage solutions such as file servers, cloud storage, and databases allows for monitoring and controlling data access and movement within these systems. This helps in protecting sensitive data stored in various locations. Custom integrations. For more specific needs, custom integrations can be developed. This may involve scripting or developing custom connectors to ensure that search-informed DLP can work seamlessly with proprietary or niche systems within the organization. Compliance and reporting tools. Integration with compliance and reporting tools enables the generation of detailed reports and compliance documentation. This is useful for regulatory compliance and internal audits. What types of threats does search-informed DLP mitigate? Search-informed data loss prevention (DLP) is designed to protect sensitive data and prevent various types of threats that could compromise data security. Here are some of the key threats that search-informed DLP mitigates. Data leakage prevents unauthorized sharing or transmission of sensitive data outside the organization, such as through email, file transfers, or cloud storage. Insider threats identifies and mitigates risks from employees or contractors who may intentionally or unintentionally misuse or leak sensitive information. Data theft protects against theft of intellectual property, personal data, and other confidential information by unauthorized individuals. Malware and ransomware monitors and controls the activities of malicious software that could exfiltrate or corrupt data. Compliance violations helps ensure that data handling practices comply with regulatory requirements and industry standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS. Data misuse detects and prevents inappropriate or unauthorized use of data within the organization, such as accessing data without proper authorization. Phishing attacks assists in identifying and mitigating risks associated with phishing attempts that aim to capture sensitive information. Data modification monitors for unauthorized changes to sensitive data, which could indicate tampering or corruption. How can SearchInform DLP be integrated with existing systems? SearchInform DLP, data loss prevention, can be integrated with existing systems in several ways to enhance data protection and compliance. Here's how you might approach the integration. APIs and connectors. SearchInform DLP often provides APIs and pre-built connectors that can be used to integrate with various systems such as CM, security information and event management, tools, ticketing systems, and other security solutions. Leveraging these APIs can help automate data protection workflows and enhance overall security posture. Log management systems. Integrating SearchInform DLP with log management systems allows for centralized logging and monitoring of data security events. This integration helps in correlating data loss incidents with other security events for more comprehensive threat analysis. Directory services. Integration with directory services like Active Directory or LDAP enables the DLP system to utilize existing user and group data for policy enforcement. This ensures that data protection policies are consistently applied across the organization based on user roles and permissions. Email and collaboration tools. Integrating with email systems like Microsoft Exchange or Office 365, and collaboration tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams helps monitor and protect sensitive data transmitted through these channels. This can include scanning for sensitive information in attachments, messages, and shared files. Endpoint protection platforms. Integration with endpoint protection solutions ensures that data loss prevention policies are enforced on endpoints, including desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. This integration helps in managing data security on all user devices. Data storage solutions. Integrating with data storage solutions such as file servers, cloud storage, and databases allows for monitoring and controlling data access and movement within these systems. This helps in protecting sensitive data stored in various locations. Custom integrations. For more specific needs, custom integrations can be developed. This may involve scripting or developing custom connectors to ensure that SearchInform DLP can work seamlessly with proprietary or niche systems within the organization. Compliance and reporting tools. Integration with compliance and reporting tools enables the generation of detailed reports and compliance documentation. This is useful for regulatory compliance and internal audits. How does SearchInform DLP ensure compliance with regulations? SearchInform DLP, data loss prevention, ensures compliance with regulations through several key mechanisms. Data classification and discovery. Automated data classification. SearchInform DLP can automatically classify data based on its content, type, and sensitivity. This helps in identifying regulated data and ensuring it is handled according to compliance requirements. Data discovery. The system scans and discovers sensitive information across various data repositories, ensuring that all instances of regulated data are identified and protected. Policy enforcement. Customizable policies. Search-informed DLP allows organizations to create and enforce custom data protection policies tailored to specific regulatory requirements, example GDPR, HIPAA, CCPA. This includes defining rules for data access, usage, and transfer. Real-time monitoring. The solution monitors data in real time, ensuring that any actions or transfers of sensitive data comply with established policies. Alerts are generated for any policy violations. Data protection. Data encryption. Search-informed DLP can enforce encryption policies for data at rest and in transit. This helps in ensuring that sensitive data is protected from unauthorized access and breaches. Access controls. The system enforces strict access controls based on user roles and permissions, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. Incident management and reporting. Incident response. Search-informed DLP provides tools for managing and responding to data security incidents. This includes logging incidents, investigating potential breaches, and taking corrective actions. Compliance reporting. The solution generates detailed compliance reports and audit trails that document how data protection policies are being enforced. These reports are essential for regulatory audits and demonstrating compliance. Integration and adaptability. Regulatory updates. Search-informed DLP is designed to adapt to changes in regulatory requirements. The solution can be updated to reflect new or modified regulations, ensuring ongoing compliance. Integration with other security solutions. The system integrates with other security tools and platforms, example CM systems, enhancing overall compliance and security posture. Why choose ProExcellency for Search-informed DLP online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Search-informed DLP, data loss prevention, online training can offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency may provide access to experienced instructors with in-depth knowledge of Search-informed DLP, ensuring you receive accurate and up-to-date information. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program is likely designed to cover all aspects of Search-informed DLP, from basic concepts to advanced features, helping you gain a thorough understanding of the platform. Flexible learning. Online training offers the flexibility to learn at your own pace and schedule, which can be beneficial if you have other commitments. Hands-on practice. ProExcellency often includes practical exercises and real-world scenarios in their training, allowing you to apply what you've learned in a controlled environment. Support and resources. Access to additional resources, such as forums or support from instructors, can enhance your learning experience and help you overcome any challenges. Certification preparation. If you're seeking certification, ProExcellency's training might help you prepare effectively by aligning with certification requirements and providing practice exams. Reputation and reviews. ProExcellency's reputation and positive reviews from previous participants can be a good indicator of the quality of their training programs. Customization. They might offer customized training solutions tailored to your specific needs or organizational requirements. Thank you.